today we're going to be making all different types of spills. First off, we're going to make the coffee spill, then we're going to make the milk spill, and then the ice cream spill. So let's start with the coffee. First off, you're going to need some brown paint, some parchment paper, of course a coffee cup, 2 popsicle sticks, 1 measuring cup, and a bottle of tacky glue. Let's get our measuring cup and your tacky glue. So you should put about half a cup in of the tacky glue. Now you're going to get your brown paint, open it up, get one of your popsicle sticks and get some of the paint out and mix it in very well. So next off, you're going to pour your glue and your paint into your cup. You're going to start to spill your cup like if it were to be real. So now you're going to stick your stick onto your coffee spill and kind of try to get it dirty like if it were already in the coffee. So this is it. This is how it should look like whenever you're done making the spills. So this is our first spill, the coffee spill. So now you have to wait 1 week until it dries. So I'll see you next week.